Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you some options of CPAGrip. As you see in the left, we have a lot of options: statistical charts, monetization tools, offer tools, postback tools, referral program, payment center. We have the account setting. About statistic and charts, about stats overview, here we can find so how many view and how many clicks you've got, how many leads, and how much money you've made. We have daily breakdown, offer breakdown, tool breakdown, and country breakdown. We have also these options, second options, monetization tools. Here we can create content lockers, URL file lockers, video lockers, offer walls. First of all, for example, beginning with the content lockers. As we see here, we can create new content locker. We have the name, the access time, offers, leads required, code, and more. So let's create some new content lockers now. After we click and create, we have some term of service. Simply we will agree to these terms and click on continue. And after that, we have this page here. We can change the header text in the option here. Please complete a survey below to unlock this protected contents. We can change this sentence. We have options for desktop. If we use desktop or mobile, we have advanced and templates. We can select mobile templates to replace custom mobiles, and we also select a desktop template to replace locker setting and modify as needed for desktop platform. So for example, I will choose this here, as we see, and go and click to general to modify this sentence here. Please complete survey below to unlock this protected contents. Wherever the sentence I do, I will keep it like this. We have, if we scroll down, we have the show offers, access time, allow, close. For the show offers, select the number of offers to display. Ideal number is 3, so I click it on 3. We have load method, test time, and more. So if we ended this change, about the creation of URL file lockers, I will create new URL lockers. Also, I agree to the term of service and click to continue. Here we can create a link. As you see, we have advanced, a lot of options. Templates, we can select templates to replace custom and the HTML tweaks and modify as needed. We have default presentation, human verification, captcha, file download lockers, and more, as we see. here. I will choose file download lockers, for example. Now I will click on general. For example, I need to change here this here I will change the begin download to some other words. For example, I will delete begin and keep just download. You can also write offer help texts, any text you want like this, and it will show here in the other place. So also we can change the header text here, as you see. We can type any sentence. You can type any sentence you want. File name. We can change the file name. For example, just file number 10. Just example. Size also can change to 6, 5. The dates you can change also date and more options. Look at the URL. We can do a link you want like this. Show offers.